Hey guys, remember the days when your brother used to be brushing just to get the waves in? Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get waves in your TWA hair. Okay guys, so the first thing I want you to do is make sure you are picking out your hair like so. So we're going to do that now. I just washed and conditioned my hair. And we're going to make sure we pick our hair out. Okay, so now that we have our hair picked, I'm just gonna comb that forward. Because I washed and conditioned my hair yesterday, the next thing that I want you to do is spritz your hair with a little water. Okay, so now that we have our hair all wet, sides need some. Okay, so now that I have that done, let your hands be your guide to know how much water that you might need. So for this tutorial, to get the waves, we're going to be trying out the Eco Styler gel. I tried using mousse yesterday. If you guys want to see that video, you can check that up in the cards above. Okay, so now that my hair is a bit saturated, I'm gonna comb forward my hair a little bit. And we're gonna start with our gel. We're gonna start with this much first. And I'm going to use that to bring forward the hair since we're trying to make our curls go forward, okay? So I'm gonna get that, slather that on the side. And we're going to use our famous brush that all our brothers use. And we're going to start molding the hair like so. Okay, so we're gonna brush. Hopefully we don't have to brush all night. So I'm gonna add a little bit more gel.
So let me know in the comments, guys, if you have ever thought of using gel, just simply using gel to get your waves if you've never tried this option before.
We normally have a little hand action with our brothers doing this. You guys remember that, right? So let's see. Not sure how this will turn out since I'm doing this at night, and then I'm going to I'm just gonna wash my hands and I'll be right back. I'm back. So now this is what we're working with. Okay, so that's what my hair is looking like. So in the morning we're gonna check that out on my way to work. Okay, so I'm gonna put my nightcap on first, like so. Then I'm gonna put this on. Hopefully I won't get a line. Maybe I shouldn't even do that. I'll do it like this. Yeah, like so. This is too low, oh my goodness. Okay. Let's just hope for the best. I'm out. I'm about to go to bed because it's late. Let's check that in the morning, guys. I'll be back.
Okay, to be honest, I wasn't sure how that was going to turn out. And so I slept on this overnight. I'm so curious to see how my hair is going to be looking like. And so when I took the satin wrap off, it was so nice. I was so surprised, you guys. So let me know in the comments how I did with my waves. The gel was really a game changer. I used mousse before, but the mousse didn't do me justice. I'm loving the results, as you can see. So I'm just going to put my glasses on so I can really see how my hair is looking, because your girl can't see without her glasses. So if this video was useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.